Let us have a quick look of the Geprc WooPower W63 and do an unboxing video. Here come with the menus of the WooPower W63. It's come with Chinese and English version. And here's a Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, so now let's get to the main thing, the Geprc WooPower W63. You can see the finishes of the casing, right? It's really nice. And it's only compatible with PH2.0 and BT2.0 plugs only. It's only 1S battery charger. And now you can see here, there's one XT60 power plug and also one USB Type-C for power input. Both of the XT60 and also USB Type-C can be used as a power input. During outside flying, when there's no power charging power source, you can use XT60 battery to plug in to charge your 1S battery. So here I will demonstrate how to plug in the USB Type-C and also XT60. So we just plug in the USB Type-C cables and wait for a while, and it will be power on automatically. So we started by plugging in 1S battery. We start by selecting type of batteries and also choosing the appropriate amperes to charge the batteries. And afterwards we apply to the ports that we needed, and then it will start charging automatically. So the other method is using the XT60 Lipo battery. The one that I'm currently using is MCK6S battery. So we just plug it into the port, and it's the same, wait for a while and it will be turned on. And we carry on the same process, selecting the type of batteries and also amperes, and apply all the settings to the ports that we needed, and we'll start charging. Thank you for watching, guys, and this is the Geprc WooPower W63 1S Lipo battery charger.